Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question. Basically we are going to simplify a question, and the question is 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 5. It means that our numerator having only one value but our denominator having two fraction, which is 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 5. In order to simplify this condition, first we should simplify this denominator by taking LCM, and after taking LCM we should get 1 over x plus 5 plus x plus 2 over x plus 2 into x plus 5, because this x plus 5 will multiply with this one and we will get x plus 2, and plus sign is remain same, and this x plus 2 will multiply with this one value, which is x plus 2, and it will make only one fraction, or it will convert two fraction into a one fraction after taking LCM. Over x plus 2 into x plus 5 will remain same. Now in the next step, as we know that three fraction are in comfortable form in algebra, so we should move this x plus 2 into x plus 5 in denominator, and we should get, after moving in the right place of in denominator to numerator, we should get x plus 2 into x plus 5 over x plus 5 plus x plus 2. Now in the next step we should multiply both of these bracket by and adding both of this bracket. How? First this x will multiply with this x and we should get x square, and when this x will multiply with this 5 we should get plus 5x, and now this plus 2 will multiply with this x, we will get x plus 2x, and when this plus 2 will multiply with this plus 5 we should get plus 10, and when we add up both of these bracket we should get x plus x will be equal to 2x, and this 5 plus 2 will be equal to 7. Now in the next step we should simplify only our numerator, and we will get x plus 7x plus 10 in numerator, and 2x plus 7 will remain same in the denominator, because this x square will remain same, but with this 5x and this 2x will be add together and we will get 7x, and this 10 will remain same, and the other part of this fraction will remain same. This is the simplified form for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.